Hi, I'm Jay from FFX. Today we are here at Bosch HQ with Dan. Dan, you've got an interesting looking box there. What's inside?
This is the Bosch Professional Go. This is basically our smallest, most compact cordless screwdriver. Everything's all laid out in the box here, nice and easy to get hold of. We have the machine, we'll cover that momentarily. We have a 25-piece comprehensive bit set, so perfect for any sort of screws that you'll come across regularly. We also have the charger and the charger cable in there as well, so everything you need to get going.
That's brilliant. So you've covered everything in the box. What's the maximum size screw you can use with the Go?
Well, this machine offers 5 Newton meters maximum torque, so a 5mm screw is basically as high as you're going to want to go with this, while maintaining the quality of the tool.
Fantastic, and it's got a forward and reverse setting?
Forward and reverse setting. It's a push drive type machine, so just a simple push on the front here will fire up the motor and you'll hear it.
Wow, that's so easy.
So nothing to worry about there, really easy to operate. We also have a button on here as well which bypasses that, so you don't have to push all the time.
That's fantastic.
We also have here a precision clutch with 3 different settings and also a maximum torque setting. This allows you to tailor the tightening torque for instance, flat pack furnishing, so you're not going to tear the threads out of anything. So maximum amount of control, easy operation.
That's fantastic. So I can see that obviously you can't put a battery on it, so then how do we charge it?
This is charged with a USB, so a USB cable and the USB adapter is all included in the box.
Well, so it's very portable, so even if I'm driving to a job, I can plug it into my car and charge it on the way.
That's it, yep.
That's fantastic. Thank you, Dan. You can order yours now at ffx.co.uk.